We're here in Cooper City. It's Nancy Birnbaum, 24-hour floors. We got the vertical going down. The color is smoke. Right now we're just cleaning up the excess chips. We did the step up here. We taped off the house, so there's no issues with any dust going in the house. But as you can see, we're here and we're taking care of everything. Give us a call, Nancy Birnbaum, 24-hour floors. If you want your pool deck, patio, garage floor, driveway, stairs, patio, you name it, we do it. It's a great Father's Day gift. You can get it done in one day. Nancy Birnbaum, 24-hour floors, 954-495-5502. I'm the concrete lady. We get it done in one day. Give us a call. You can drive on it in 24 hours. You can walk on it in 4 to 6 hours.